do you want a bacon? Come on, guys. Anyways, mini Tacoma, let's time to go to a trip. And by the way, happy 4th of July, guys. So today, we'll go, me and my mini Tacoma, on a trip to see the fireworks. Let's go! So right now, we won't take our bike. That sucks. I know, because I used them off camera. But we will. Oh my God, did you guys hear that? It's fireworks. Come on. I'll hold you better, mini Tacoma. Come on, guys, let's go. So if you're wondering where we're going, we're not walking around the neighborhood. I'm actually going to take mini Tacoma and I to see the fireworks. And I just saw. I know, guys, this might be one of my longest videos. I may make each part, but I will put these videos together. Come on. So yes, this is the area of my neighborhood where those fireworks are. And if you don't know, I actually did make a video. Yes, so let's ignore that. Let's ignore that. So I did make a video about the same for July, but I was only at my house. So yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow! Look at that, guys. You see that? That's what we're doing. And yes, last year I did make, but I only came from my house. But I'm now mature enough to walk by myself. I already know strangers. Stranger danger. Oh no! By the way, right here. Yes, you can see that, guys. Now it's time to film. Alright, guys. Yeah, you see that smoke? You hear that, guys? And yeah, let's not mind about the others. Well, yeah, you can see that, guys. One big one will come. I know. I've been predicting. So yeah, guys, we're waiting for fireworks. What's going on? I think I missed the clip. I know, right? Because we missed the clip, and it looks like it's behind that home right there, where the fireworks was planned. I did have a little bit footage of this off camera, if you don't believe me. Can you hear those fireworks? Yeah, you can hear those, but I'm paying more attention to these ones right there. What? Yes, mini Tacoma. We will see the fireworks together. And our fans, too, who's watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay. Yeah, you can hear the guys. Okay, guys. Well, I don't see the other fireworks. What's going on? Oh, man. They quit. They did. Come on, mini Tacoma. Let's go. All right. So I'm so sorry. It looks like... Oh, look, guys. Did you see that? Look at that, guys. The fireworks. Let's go. Let's cross. The beautiful... Wait. Okay, guys. So it looks like it's belonged to one of my neighbors that are either this or the other. Oh, look. You can see that. Well, yeah, guys, it looks like my neighbors. Some of my neighbors know. What the heck? What's going on? There's no, fireworks. Oh, look, guys. Oh, look. Oh, man. Ew. Never mind. No fireworks. I know, mini Tacoma. There's no fireworks right now. I can't see those, unfortunately. I did saw those big ones, the big giant fireworks, when I made my original video. And yeah, I'll be making a lot of shorts today. But I don't know. Dang it, there's no more. Aww. Oh my God, look at that, guys. And yeah, you see that smoke. I think they want the, like, myself. When I'm off camera, it looks like they started doing this. Let's try it. Oh, look. Oh, guys. What the heck? Oh, my God. What are these people doing with those fireworks? Oh, my God. They're burning up. Yeah, guys, you can see those right there. I know, Mini Tacoma. What are they doing? Yeah, you see those, like, lights right there. Well, yep. That's right. What are some more fireworks that will destroy the world? It's not gonna destroy the world, dummy. It will. It's only for United States. What about Canada or Mexico? What about Honduras? No, there's no, not for other countries. By the way, Canada's in July 1st. By the way. Oh man, that sucks. I wish I lived in Canada. No, we live in the United States. That's why we're here to celebrate. Dang, I'm off camera. That sucks. Like, I don't hate the fireworks, but it's just, it sucks, like, I didn't get on camera. I guess the fireworks hate me when I record the thing. And I'm literally there for, like, let's try Mini Tacoma right there, guys. Beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. Bye. Well, yes, guys. Dang it. No fireworks occurred. Come on. Oh, look, guys. Oh, my God. Dang. They're destroying. Guys, look at that. Oh, my God. I just got on camera. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Here you go. Yes. Oh, look, guys. There's more. Fun. Like beautiful. Like diamonds in the sky. Whoopee. Dang. Just look at that, guys. Dang. Oh, wow, guys. No way. I gotta take my mini truck. Yes. What the heck? Oh, my God. Come on, Mini Tacoma. Let's go. It's that? Oh, look, more fireworks. Oh, my God. It ended. That sucks. Oh, my God, there's smoke. Is it burning? No. But I heard there's another neighbor from mine that, like, is in the other way. Yeah, you see. You see that smoke? Well, yeah, guys, it's moonlight now. So, yes. And the reason why I'm here to film, I want to enjoy today. Yes! Yes! Damn bright! Come on, guys. Like, yep. Well, yep, only smoke. Dang, that sucks. No, it doesn't. That's after the fireworks. Well, come on. I had to carry my Mini Tacoma. Come on. What the heck? Oh, I thought it was a... Oh, my God. Well, by the way, let's go walk somewhere else. Then, right. Like volleyball, like tiny. By the way, come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, man, we're going home. That sucks. We're not going home. Where? We're going to our other neighbor's home. Why? Just to film the whole thing. Yeah, let's walk a little closer. Come on. And I don't see any fireworks. as of right now, which that sucks. And if you don't know, I forgot to make my decoration for my mini Tacoma, some 4th of July decorations. And yes, I did buy myself a pinwheel. That was all. I couldn't buy my hat because I don't know. But I don't have a video of it. I do actually have a video of me going to Walmart and getting the pinwheel, but I did not make it. It's too late for that. Anyways, it looks like the fireworks are starting to go now. But yes, I don't think there's more fireworks. That sucks. By the way, come on, let's go home. That sucks. I want to go home. I'm sorry, we have to. Was it a fireworks at least? Dang. What the heck? By the way, come on, guys. But I'm gonna walk home while I film this. Happy New Year! Let's go, guys. We get a firework. Come on, let's take you to one of our closer neighbors. I don't want to go there. Why? Because I don't want to. No? Come on, let's go walk. I don't want to walk home. That sucks. I get it. I get it. What the heck? I didn't film. Sorry, guys. But last year, one of my closer neighbors right there. Come on, let's go. This way. This way, mini Tacoma. Let's go. Where? That brown house? No. Let's go. Let's go. Let's walk somewhere else. I don't want to walk here. Why? That home right there is the bad luck house. I can't do that. You know what? It's best for us to go home. Oh, look! Oh my God! Sorry, guys. Okay. Well, guys. I shouldn't cross the road because, yeah, I don't want to get hurt. Too late. Dang. Let's go by. Dang it. I can't believe I'm in the road. Come on, let's go. Yes, that's why. Because we're not going home. We're actually going to walk by one of our neighbors. We can't cross there because that's the bad luck house. What do you mean, bad luck house? You see, there's a black cat who's hiding. Which I don't want to see that. That sucks. I know. Fireworks not home. I mean, in the sky. Vanda. Where can we walk then? I don't know, mini Tacoma. Depends. I guess I don't know where do I walk. Wow! Oh my God, guys. What the heck? All right, guys. It looks like most people in my neighborhood are walking out because of the fireworks. By the way, I should cross right there. Let's go. Oh wow! Let's look at that, guys. Oh man. Come on. So let's go, guys. I don't want to go to this side. Or there's our home that's smaller than mine. Why? I don't want to. There's not much fireworks. Come on, there will be fireworks. They won't. There will be. Just trust me. Fireworks. I get it. Just look at that, guys. What the heck is that? And yes, guys, I'm right back next to the home that's similar to mine. Oh my God! Did you guys hear that? Yes! Oh my God, look! And yes, guys, wow! And yes, I'm actually, wow! Oh my God, look at those fireworks! Well, let's go between the home that's similar to mine. Which one? That one. That's the home. Oh my God. Yep, this home right there is a home that's similar to mine. Let's enjoy the fireworks. And it looks like most people are also seeing the fireworks too. Let's take a break here. But fireworks. And yes, guys, it's 4th of July today. So yes, happy 4th of July, guys. And yes, and yeah, if you're wondering, that's the home that's similar to mine. And when I go older, I will actually own this home one day. I wish I do, but I may never. But by the way, it's time to see more fireworks. Oh wow! I almost missed it. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Dogs are angry. Wow, Toyota Prius. But by the way, where are the fireworks at? I don't know. I don't know where the fireworks go. But come on. I don't know where more fireworks. But it's best to go somewhere else. Alright. And yep. What the heck was that? Oh my God! That was a giant. And it looks like most people are actually... Oh wow, it looks like most people... I don't know. It looks like most people are actually outside now to celebrate the 4th of July. And yeah, that's a home that's similar to mine. Come on, let's go. Are we going home? No. I'm going. Okay. Where are you going? Go home? No. Where are you going? Fireworks place. Oh my God, you see those fireworks? But by the way, the video where I used to post last year was 17 minutes. The iPhone 16 is my favorite color. So you don't know what's my favorite color of the iPhone 16. What the heck? Oh, look at those guys. And that's so crazy, guys. And yeah, it's literally nighttime right now. And when I posted this video, like sunset time. Oh my God, what the heck is going on here? Oh look, guys! Oh my God! Well, guys, nothing happened. Dang, that sucks. What the heck? Wow! I think my ears will bleed after this. Why? I don't know. It was better to go this way, dummy. I'm so sorry. Come on. Let's go. Oh no, there's someone. Okay, get out of here. There's wild people here. Don't. Oh my God. Fireball, like 4th of July. Look at that, guys. Oh man. I know. Nothing happened. Okay, there's more. Oh wow, there's more. What the heck? Dang. Oh wow, look at those more. And they're starting at their time. Oh man. Oh man, nothing happened again. I know. But I don't want my ears to be bleeding. I get it. But come on, we can go a little far. We can go where we were last time. When? Over there? No, we're going to our home that was similar to ours. Oh, we're going to the identical home. What? Oh, our home? No. We're actually no, you mean no. Our identical home. Which one? The home that's similar to mine's. Oh. But by the way, yep, the ones that are right there. Yep, you see them? That's the ones that are closer to the fireworks. So yep, they're starting again. Oh my God. Oh look! Oh wow, look at that! Mini Tacoma, look! Oh. My God, Mini Tacoma! Look at that. Oh man. Wow! You're a firework! Firework! Come on, showing this. Where the hell is that going? What do I hear? Airplane time. We just don't know. But anyways, it's not the end of the video today. And you see, it was better to go to the home that's similar to mine's. Come on, let's go. Never mind. Let's go back home. Okay, come on, mate, Tacoma. It's dark now, as you can see. By the way, let's go see those fireworks, and then we will end the video. The video is not an hour. It's a few minutes. That sucks. I get it. Oh my God. Anyways, we're here. What the heck? Okay, guys. We will see those fireworks. Oh! By the way, the fireworks. Here's where am I at now. We'll see this 3 times. And then we'll go back to our home. Like the tree. So yeah, I may cut my smaller tree a little too deep. What the heck? Oh, wow! What the heck? Wow! Woohoo! Chippy, chippy, chopper! Baby, you're a 4th of July! Baby, you're a 4th of July! Going, showing, going to make you in the mud, Baby, you're a firework! Come on, showing what is burst. That's it. Let's go home. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my God. Wow, what the heck? Dang! Oh man. But anyways, what the heck? Let's go home. Wow, just look at that, guys. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright guys, I'm at my house. Now it's time to go. Alright guys, we're here now. Alright guys, never mind, sorry about it. Today, we'll see the fireworks again. If you don't know, that's the pool we had. Left toys and my tall skyscrapers. And as you can see, it looks like it's going to the home that's similar to mine. Oh, look at those guys. Ah, man. Oh, I thought it was the fireworks. Oh, July. Baby, you're a firework. What the heck? By the way, I'm in the back of my house now. As you can see. Oh man, it's time. You can hear those more. But we won't fortunately get up close because I'm not going to destroy it. Okay. Please like and subscribe in the next seconds. Well, yes, guys, it's the 4th of July today. So, yep, it's almost the end of this video, unfortunately. Alright, guys, time to go back to my Tacoma's natural habitat. Alright, let's go, guys. And yes, I will actually be cutting this tree too short. Okay, come on, let's go. With the other Tacomas. I don't want to enjoy this day. You don't enjoy? No. Okay, guys. Why is only the sign more lighter? Yes. What the heck happened to my Vivint sign? And yeah, if you don't know, I forgot about this in my plant update 22 that I put in my Vivint sign. That's the Vivint sign. Fortunately, I can't see too deep because that's from another neighborhood, actually. What the hell? Oh my God! Look at that, guys! Happy 4th of July! What the hell? Oh my God, look at... Baby, you're a firework! Come and show it, boy! Disperse. You know what? I'll go to my friend neighbor's houses. Just look at that, guys. Oh, man. What the heck? Oh. Baby, you're a firework. Disperse. Makeup going up, up, up. Going on. How do these fireworks work? I don't know. And by the way, guys, I will also be making a part 2 of this season. By the way, it's the end of part 1. Huh? It's almost the end of part 1. It's actually going to be half 30 minutes and the other half 30 minutes. For part 2, what the hell? Where's that coming from? Guys. It's almost the 4th of July. Where the fireworks came from? But I'm really getting lucky I didn't get a chance. I did got a chance, but I can't. And why every time I record there's no shadow. And if you're wondering about my other Tacoma, that's not my Tacoma. That's my mom's friend's Tacoma. And if you're wondering, where's Avalon? He's actually getting repaired. If you haven't watched my video from my accident, go check that out right now. And subscribe. No, just don't do that. Bye. You know what? I'll go to my front neighbor's house. Shine bright. Better bright of all. Better the shining sky. What the heck? Why do I hear shootings? No, they're not shootings. They're just whatever. Fireworks. Oh. Is that 9 o'clock? Who the heck is stalking? We should get inside. We're literally in our house. Yes. I don't go. There's no fireworks. Oh. Baby, you're a Wahoo! 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 Wow. Imagine that happen. Imagine that tomorrow. I don't know if the sign right there, the green one, has lights because look, I literally did this. What the heck? And yeah, guys, it's the end of part 1. Part 2 will be coming in 30 minutes because I gotta take a break. Part 1 is officially over. And yeah, unfortunately, part 1 of this video is unfortunately over as of now. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys in part 2.